Discover the best day trips from Kyoto with this comprehensive guide. Uncover hidden gems, historic sites and picturesque landscapes just a short drive away. Perfect for your next escape.
Remember that you have the links to all the activities in the description.
This concise walking tour offers visitors an opportunity to experience the enchanting Arashiyama district within just 3 hours. Situated on the outskirts of Kyoto, this tranquil area boasts picturesque bamboo groves, mesmerizing mountain vistas, and ancient temples and shrines. It is a substance that has connected the history of approximately 1400 years, shaping the culture and history created by our ancestors. This unique heritage continues to inspire and captivate individuals around the world, particularly those visiting Kyoto for its rich cultural offerings. Our itinerary involves visiting 4 distinct locations within approximately 1.5 hours, accompanied by over 40 edited photographs. We begin our journey at Arashiyama Station on the Randan Line, followed by a leisurely stroll through the picturesque Kimono Forest, where we plan to capture several moments and provide insights into this unique cultural landscape. Embark on a guided bike tour to discover the breathtaking beauty of the Arashiyama bamboo forest, free from the hustle and bustle of tourists. Begin your journey at an early hour for a serene experience, and admire landmarks such as the Tagetsukyō Bridge and the Tenroji Zen Temple. Gion, an esteemed historical district in Kyoto, thrives particularly during nighttime hours, offering visitors an immersive experience steeped in tradition. Guided by knowledgeable experts, one can delve into the customs associated with geishas and maiko, traditional performers who embody the essence of Japanese elegance. Begin your tea ceremony experience by entering through the main gates of the Jotokuji Temple. Proceed past the entrance to the Grand Tea Room on your left and locate the shop adjacent to it. Your guide and ornate chariot are poised at Kyoto's renowned Tagetsukyō Bridge in Arashiyama, an esteemed historical landmark and a haven of natural splendor situated along Kyoto's western outskirts. This picturesque region boasts a prime destination, thick bamboo groves traversed by a pedestrian and rickshaw pathway that epitomizes the city's deep-rooted appreciation for the natural world.
Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this.